Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove game files from Steam tool. To remove game files from the Steam tool, start by locating your Steam directory, head to the Start menu, type in Steam, then right-click and choose Open File Location. When the shortcut appears, right-click it again and select Open File Location to access the actual installation folder. This step ensures you're in the correct directory, especially if your Steam isn't installed on default local disk C. Once inside the Steam folder, navigate to the config folder, then open the STUI folder. From here, simply delete everything inside the folder. This clears out stored game interface data without uninstalling the entire game, helping you reset certain Steam elements efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.